Alright, well, let's see what's up.
What's going on, guys? Just got the Prelude essentials right here. Because without it, Prelude kind of look ugly right now.
You bought a front lip and a rear, what would you say, rear diffuser?
I would say rear
Yeah.
lip, low key. It's kind of like both. I don't know how to explain it, but.
No, I think it's more of a diffuser. Oh, that'll actually look crazy.
Yeah, it's gonna look nice, bro.
Actually, doesn't want to look that bad.
Yeah. It's crazy nice, bro. The rear one, sheesh, that shit's sexy. This one, we do need the heat gun for obvious reasons.
It's a bit droopy there.
Yeah.
We'll get it out right now.
So it didn't come broken like last one, bro.
Did you send back the last one?
No.
Did they just keep it?
Yeah.
Hard. What the fuck? We should fucking. What's it called? No, we should just fix it and then you can fucking sell it.
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah, because usually they do that.
Nothing Bondo can fix.
Nah, you
This
see.
is the rear one.
Oh, let me see. Let me feel it. Oh, this is hella good fucking flexible.
Yeah, bro. So like, if I fucking bump or anything, that's just not gonna break. It's just gonna fucking.
Yeah, it's gonna form.
Yeah, bro.
KBD shit right there. So yeah, we're probably gonna use the heat gun and fucking heat it up, get its form, and we'll try to put this on the back bumper, I guess.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
Well, which one do you want to start with?
Don't matter.
I think we
We
should.
got these boys. I don't know if y'all can really see that. Oh, they're there.
Like that or like that?
Oh yeah, they probably go like that. Yeah, they definitely go like that. That doesn't look ricey.
Nah.
No.
I just want to add like an extra like oomph to it.
Yeah, and I mean that'll look cool. They're white too.
Yeah. So.
I mean, your car's gonna be a rainbow soon.
Rainbow.
3 different blacks, white wheels, white side skirts.
And the fucking red door handle.
Oh yeah, the red door handle. I forgot about that. Isn't it? Right there, red door handle.
And then I'm gonna probably have a different color hood because I'm trying to get a new one.
Carbon fiber hood?
I'm trying to. It's
Hard.
like $600, but I don't think.
Jesus fuck.
I think it's worth it in my opinion.
Oh, I get you.
Especially since it's gonna be all white.
Yeah.
It'll look nice.
Oh yeah, it would. So yeah, we're probably about to get the front lip on first and
Yeah, bro.
yeah, record the process.
Bet.
Bet.
You have tape?
So we got the front. What do you call it? Front lip? Yeah, front lip on. Kind of a bitch, but you know, you got it in. Some slight. But yeah, it actually doesn't look that bad. We just need to push in this part. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's like a little gap. We'll just use the heat gun and we'll just press it in a little bit. Yeah, other than that, it's not that bad.
It looks pretty nice, bro.
I'll see if I can find a before picture, a decent before picture of the front. But yeah, that looks pretty good. Now it's time for the back. Did we get a good view of the back, Flo? Oh yeah, we're gonna need it.
Oh shit.
Yeah, we're gonna need a heat gun for this. Probably get some cinematics of Flo heating it up.
Yeah, bro.
Alright, for sure.
Definitely.
Yeah. front lip on. Slowly getting the jack out. It looks pretty good. For being a Duraflex one. Oh shit. For being Duraflex, doesn't look that bad. I don't know if you guys can really pick it up on camera, but it looks pretty good. Yeah, now we're getting to the back. You guys just saw little cinematics of it. But yeah, gotta lift the back up right now and get the, what's it called? The back diffuser in. So yeah, probably get a good look of it before we put it in. So there it is without it.
I'll put it up straight from the middle.
And then we'll just.
The front.
And here we are, huh?
Did we finish up the front?
I don't know if you want to. Oh yeah, put the bottom screws on. Yeah, put the bottom screws
Anywhere?
on. No, not anywhere. I mean, it's gonna have holes, but still. But yeah, this is the back bumper with the little diffuser.
Like
Yeah, but I mean,
it's better.
so that, I mean, that's 100. That, what amount did you spend?
Like,
For the back, just for the back.
just the back, like 180 maybe.
Yeah.
It's not too bad.
I mean, that's what 180 bucks will get you.
I just wanted to make it look better than before.
Yeah, looks decent.
It pisses
Yeah.
me off though.
Yeah, I would too if I paid that much money. Yeah, there's that.
Oh, we need to fix this.
Here's the front. What?
Should I push it in?
Now that's up to you. I don't know how this is gonna work anymore. Cause this is fiberglass. This isn't plastic anymore.
We're gonna need to raise it up again.
Huh?
We're gonna need to raise it up again.
Oh yeah, we're gonna need a razor from the front. So yeah, we'll probably get to that. And then we'll do a full rundown. Do a full rundown of the car and shit. And hopefully it looks decent. Yay!